Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use Instagram feed shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of Instagram feed shortcode. If you have beautiful portfolio at Instagram and you want to showcase your Instagram images in your website, then Instagram feed shortcode is best for you. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, column is automatically added. Click on plus icon and click on POFO tab. Click on Instagram feed shortcode. You can see Instagram feed shortcode settings and pop up here. POFO provide two different styles of Instagram gallery. This is Instagram gallery style 1. This is Instagram gallery style 2. So let me select Instagram gallery style 1. You need to enter your Instagram account access token and Instagram ID here. You can click here to know how to get your Instagram access token and ID. Let me enter my access token and Instagram ID here. Now you can select number of columns here. Let me select 4 columns here. Sort feed day by most recent, least recent, most liked, least liked, most commented, least commented or random. Let me select most recent. Number of items to display in the grid. Let me enter 9 here. You can switch on of likes, comments. Also select your desired CSS animation from available animation list. Style tab. Here you can manage different color options like hover background color, icon color, counter text color, counter background color. Go to extra tab. In case if you want to customize this shortcode deeply, then you can insert unique element ID for Instagram feed element. You can insert custom CSS class name here and then write custom CSS code using element ID and class name. You can add custom CSS code in appearance customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in child theme style file also. Let me save changes and let's check preview. Wow, you can see your Instagram images in the grid here with like and comment icons as per settings. Go back to General tab and let me select Style 2. Let me select 3-column grid. Save changes and let's check preview. You can see Instagram Gallery Style 2 here. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.